Ridge bike trails and hiking trails. Bureau of Land Management, BLM. Picnic tables, trash cans. I forgot there was picnic tables here. We could have brought some snacks. White Ridge Bike Trails, Bureau of Land Management welcome you to this beautiful area. It's known for its geological, paleontological, cultural, and scenic qualities. The area is closed to all motorized.
Dylan, come.
I think we're hiking that way and maybe on the red. We'll see, since we're just hiking today instead of biking. Ron's got our hiking poles.
Got the hiking dog.
And the hiking dog.
He's ready to go.
And you got our map out. It's in the 30s today, right now, but we're in the early morning. It's supposed to warm up pretty quickly, and we're supposed to have a pretty balmy day in the 40s and 50s. So we have wanted to hike here on the White Ridge for quite a while. We're finally getting out here. I don't see any snow residue. It snowed quite a bit up here last month. Looks pretty clear.
Here, twice on my bike.
Yeah, Ron's mountain biked out here before with a friend. Nice. It's gonna be a beautiful day. Now, the White Ridge, or White Mesa as some people call it, can actually be seen from Albuquerque. If you look to the northwest, you can see a mesa that is bright white against all the other mountains surrounding the area between the Jemez and the desert. And to get here, you take Highway 550 from the north end of Rio Rancho, Bernalillo area, and head that northwest, and you will be seeing the White Mesa straight ahead of you the whole way there. Once you turn off of Highway 550, you are on a dirt road for a couple of miles to get to the trailhead, but it's pretty well marked. This same dirt road that you access this trailhead from is the same dirt road you take out to the Ojito Wilderness area, where we hike the Hoodoo Trail and the Seismosaurus trails. They're just several miles past this parking lot. So we're constantly driving by this saying we need to come back here and hike sometime. And yes, we finally did it. And it's worth it. Definitely stop here if you're looking for hiking in the wintertime. Ron downloaded the trail, one of the trails over here from All Trails. So our trail splits here, and our track goes this way. Cool. Look at these views. Oh, that's gorgeous. Holy cow.
This is where they did that knockdown. You can see if you're supposed to navigate that correctly and end up down there.
Whoa. A lot of snow down there still.
Right over there is the drop down of it. Come down off that and then, oh shit.
Oh. Fun area to mountain bike though.
Yeah, a lot of fun. I know some people that do it on a full moon because you get the white.
Oh yeah, it'd be all lit up.
Yep.
Very cool.
The snow's still down there.
And there's Cabazon Peak over there. A volcanic plug.
So we did mountain bikes. We came down, rode that ridge, and then it drops a little bit on the backside of that. Drops down in the valley, climb back up on this side, and then goes back through all this and goes back out over here. Pretty nice ride.
Looks gorgeous. Being that it is January, there is some snow here and there in the shady areas under some of the trees. And the ground is frozen in spots too. Lots of frozen tracks in the shade. Is that a drop off or does the trail continue? Huh. Not feeling that daring today. It's kind of loose, sandy stuff and not my favorite kind of surface to walk on. So many little trails around here.
Quite a few. A lot more than there were when I was out here last.
Oh yeah?
I don't think any of that was there.
Huh. Cool. We just spotted that post right up there. So that must be our next marker. I'm gonna head that way, then decide what to do next. Whoa. Man, oh man. Yeah. Oh my Lord. We're up in a white desert. Looks like chalk, I'm guessing. Wow. This definitely looks like the moon. We are way up there. Ron sees another post. Holy cow. Time to look at the map. See what All Trail says. Nice view of Cabazon Peak though. Holy moly. And snow under that tree. Our parking lot is way the heck back that way. And there's the Sandia Mountains. And these are the Jemez Mountains. We are definitely on top of the mesa.
So, I don't know where you want to go. I mean, technically you can loop back around there and go back out where we came in, or you can do the, you know,
so we're right there. We've hiked from there to there.
and then the left side goes right up that.
Ron and Dylan decided to climb up to the top of that hill there to see a viewpoint of the area and check it out. Dylan, come to me. Good boy. Good boy. Now come here. So while Ron takes pictures up at the top, Dylan and I are gonna walk out to this overlook and get our minds blown. Dylan, stop pulling. Relax. 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 Here he comes.
Robin and Dylan patiently waiting for me to come back down. Or Dylan not so patient. That's okay though. He didn't like it up there on that edge.
Couple of mountain bikers out here today. Not that many though. Looks like he's headed down into the canyon.
This is not a place I'd probably solo bike.
Yeah, I don't think I'd solo bike here either.
Again, that's the first guy we've seen today. We know there's somebody else out here on the trail somewhere. We don't know if they're a biker or if they're a hiker.
Yeah.
So you may not be found if you go over one of these.
Yeah, there's a lot of big drop-offs. Junction 22. Wow.
Yeah, it goes down and goes back up over there.
Yeah. Let's see, we've only been from here to right there. We've only been exploring this area. So you can see how vast this wilderness, or this area is. It's BLM. The wilderness area starts just past this. Wow. Beautiful. Who says the desert's ugly? And this is the best place to hike in the winter. There's a little bit of snow remnants from the last storm. They're expecting the possibility of snow tomorrow. So that's why we're out today. Wow.
Crazy people do this one.
Wow. The view.
You see where's people taking their bikes down that one.
Yeah.
And back up over there. But that's not very.
Oh, Ron. Stay up here. You know the dog doesn't like. Yeah, he's scared. Good boy.
That's why I let him come down to you when he was up there. He wanted no part of that.
No, he does not like drop-offs. Let's see this drop-off over here. Ooh. It's a little slanty. It's beautiful off this direction too.
The center's fine, Rob.
Yeah, I see. Wow.
The outer over there. We'll do this middle one.
Trying to decide which way to go now.
There's different trails. Look at the map. I think this is one we went. So that one looks like yeah, the trail we came up on and along that ridge is just right there. Yeah, but being here, you'd never even know it dropped off over there like those drop-offs that we just witnessed.
Yeah.
With the high desert here.
Yeah, the plains area. Kind of expect an antelope to come hopping by us. They're out here. Heading back towards the parking lot. So there's the parking lot. Quite a few cars now. We just saw some hikers go by us that way, headed that direction. What a beautiful day. It's warmed up enough we both took our gloves off. Good?
Yeah.
Liking it?
Yeah.
Good suggestion. Dylan found snow. What do you think, Dylan? You like the snow? Yeah. He's a snow puppy. He's trying to eat it. I know. Dylan loves snow. Ron, not so much. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a hiker heading up the Dragon's Back right now. Perfect day for this. Perfect day for the hike. So glad we did this instead of going to hike in the snow. That was our other option. The Sandias have tons of snow right now. We opted to come hike the desert. It's about the same distance from our house either way, so less than an hour drive to this parking lot. There's a hiker over there. This way is the Dragon's Back. The guy just went over the hump there, out of sight. Yeah, we were over there. Yeah. Yeah, there is a trail that goes through the middle. I wasn't sure about the going up and down from there though. Oh, there's those other two people up there. I just saw a guy come down off some rocks over there. Quite a few people out here today. Beautiful area and perfect for the winter. So we're almost back to the trailhead. So if you enjoyed this video and found the information useful, please give us a thumbs up and think about subscribing. We have lots of adventures coming up and we'd love to have you along. So as I always say, get out there and hug a tree. And thanks for watching.